Welcome to Bertolli Presents Fem Foodies Riding on Suzuki Let's, and it's time for results of Task 1.
When we were told about who was going to be safe and who was going to be unsafe, I was nervous.
The results are all here. We're going to call your name, give you an envelope, and you'll find something in the envelope which will give you a clue.
I wonder what's that? Is it going to be some challenge that requires, I don't know.
Let's call Megha first.
While we were anticipating and anxiously waiting, the judges handed out an envelope one by one.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go!
5 of us had boats, 5 of other people had a fish. What did that mean? We didn't know.
All right, now all the fish people come down. All the boat people go up. All right, now the question here is, which 5 of you are gonna coast? And which 5 of you are gonna jump into the fire from the frying pan?
And honestly, I was in a very good space. I'm sure that I'm going to sail.
The boat cannot go into the frying pan, the boat's gonna coast. So congratulations, all of you.
As I looked around, Chitwan was safe. Yogita was safe. Yogita, she doesn't eat too much of seafood. She is 21. I thought I could make a better dish. I mean, I'm sorry, but I had more experience, you know?
Chitwan, Ipsi, Tarana, Akansha, and Yogita, you are coasting!
I was in the top 5. My God, that was a wonderful feeling.
I was so happy. I can't tell you how happy I was. I was, okay, great. At least the first task, you know, I understand what I'm supposed to do at least now.
Always remember, this is a competition. You gotta be a little complex in execution and a little deeper in thought. Yeah? All right, I think that kind of makes it clear why some of you are there and some of you are here. It is time for you girls to go party. We have a surprise waiting for you. Go check it out.
Yay! Enjoy! Have a good day.
You deserve it. Do you know where you're standing?
The Mapusa fish market.
Yes. This is actually the quintessential fish monger shopping place. When you come here in the mornings, it's a plethora of a variety of seafood. You will find all kinds of different sizes, colors, all kinds of different fish to choose from. So it's a great, great place to be at.
You know what I like best about Mapsa? Is the conversations with the fisherwomen. Well, sometimes they speak Konkani, you speak Hindi, you try Punjabi, English, everything, but you get the fish that you want, that's a fact. Now, what the twist is, we'll let you know in a bit. All right, so here's the surprise.
Chef Ranveer came with this bowl full of rolled up colorful papers that we were supposed to pick out of. And these were our clues about what fish you're supposed to go find in the Mapsa fish market, which is a huge place.
Girls, I've got a whole week ahead of planning to do for you with exciting things to put in. And hence, I must leave you in the safe and warm hands of Anahita and Chef Ranveer. And I will be seeing you shortly. Good luck. See you. See you.
All right, so now that the fish bowl's empty, here's the deal. You have exactly 5 minutes to find that fish. You'll be going into the market one by one, finding that fish. The person taking the least time to find the fish has an advantage. All the girls who've gone coasting are going to come back in the evening and they're going to assist you with your task in the evening. All right? If you come first, you get to choose your assistant. So there's a very clear advantage to being fast.
I'm not ready to get burnt and go home right away. There's a lot more in store that I want to come and display in the contest. So I am going to give it my best today, and I'm going to make sure that I make a strong hold in the competition.
Juhi, we're starting with you. You've got 5 minutes. I hope you've thought of your fish, and I want you to go now.
I have the color of love and danger and also angers you. If you don't cook me well, I might snap back at you. That sounds like the red snapper to me. I'm going to get into the market and find the Fem Foodies logo and get my red snapper now.
कॉइन है ना, मैं इसके अंदर डालूंगी, वो आपको ढूंढ के निकालना पड़ेगा. अच्छा?
The fisherwoman, a very funny lady, she took a 10 rupee coin, put it in a tub full of crabs that were alive. And she's like, to get this fish, you need to pick that 10 rupee coin out. And I was just like, oh my God, those crawlies are creepy.
कटेगी. Very good.
Thank you. I've got my red snapper.
My first name of fruit full of vitamin C. If life gives you what I am, you know what to make of me. This is, I'm sure this is lemon fish. I have never seen it, but I'm sure I'm gonna find it. ये lemon मच्छी कहाँ मिलेगा? Lemon मच्छी कहाँ मिलेगा? Lemon fish.
She gave me a task because she wanted to see me dance. So I got into the mood and I actually danced on Chikni Chameli.
चिकनी चमेली रुके अकेली पका हुआ चढ़ा के आई. ले लो, thank you. I finally found my fish, and now I'm gonna go at the food truck and nail this dish.
Don't fret if you lack the clue to the hue on my back. Darkest it is in the color pack, yet pump and show in the rack. I think this fish is the black pomfret. I'm quickly going to look for it, but before that, I'm going to put on my gloves because I am a vegetarian. The smell is terrible, but I'm going for it.
It was petrifying for me because I hated it. That is somewhere I would never want to be. That smell, I just wanted to go ocky all the time.
Black pomfret.
Black pomfret. And yeah, I found the black pomfret. However, the lady that's supposed to give it to me had given me another challenge.